Thomas is a task engine who lives at a big station on the island of a train. He's a cheeky little shit with 6 small boilers, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy... Who cares? Once, an engine attached to a train was afraid of a few drops of rain. It went into a tunnel and squeaked through its funnel and wouldn't come out again. The engine's name is Henry. His driver and fireman argued with him, but he would not move. Then, along came John, the man in charge of all the engines on Sodor. They call him John. We will take away your rails, he said, and leave you here for always and always and always. They took up the old rails and built a wall in front of him so that Henry couldn't get out of the tunnel anymore. Oh, wait, there's the back way.